it's more beautiful than I ever imagined. Look at those crystals. Look at them all. They're like giant diamonds. Wow, this place is incredible. I could fly here forever. Welcome, friends. The path to the palace awaits. Let's step into this magical realm together. Wow, it's even more magnificent than I imagined. Just look at all the colors and the light. Oh my, isn't this corridor absolutely breathtaking? Hello there, it's a truly magical day. You look so strong and brave. Can you fly up into the canopy? We are humble guardians. Oh, Your Majesty, you're even more radiant than the legends say. Welcome, little one. I've been expecting you. Your Majesty, it is an honor to meet you. Rise, young traveler. Welcome to our realm. Greetings, Ant Queen. I'm so happy to see you here in our enchanted forest.
Welcome, Finley, to our sanctuary.
Wow, thank you, Your Majesty. It's beautiful. Oh, Queen, it's even more beautiful than I imagined. Welcome, little one. This is where our magic begins. It's absolutely perfect. I found this for you. Isn't it just beautiful?
Soft, appreciative cooing sounds.
Hello, little ones. You're so beautiful in this light. We welcome you, Fairy May. Our home is yours. Wow! What is that? It's so beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. Oh, you're all doing such a wonderful job. Thank you. Look at the larvae. They're glowing so beautifully. Keep up the amazing work. Together. Chittering. There we go. See? Piece of cake. Happy chittering. Be careful, little one. Oh, thank goodness.
Yes! You can do it, ants. Work together, team.
Look at them go! They're all working together so beautifully. Isn't that amazing? Let's do this. Let's go! Yes! We did it! Oh, hello there. What are you doing down here? Look, a tunnel. It's kinda dark, but I bet there's a huge adventure waiting inside. Let's go check it out. I've never seen a place like this before. It's so beautiful and mysterious. What secrets does this tunnel hold? I can light the way, Fairy May. Follow me. Oh, thank you, Finley. Don't worry, we'll find your home together. Come on. Oh my goodness, it's real. Look at all the light. It's just like in the stories. Wow, this golden light is incredible. Look how it glows. It feels so warm and magical. I can't believe it. Oh, look, they're sparkling. It's like finding a secret treasure. They're so beautiful, even better than before. Wow. You're so beautiful. I've never seen anything like you. What are you? Look at you. You're so beautiful, like spun starlight. Such amazing wings, like crystal. Wow, Ant Queen, what is that creature? It's so sparkly. This is a Lumi, Finley, born of the shimmering sunlight. Ask it a question. I never knew it took so long, dear cicada. That's a patience I deeply admire. It is a long journey, little one, but worth every moment of waiting. I understand. That explains so much. It must have been a long, long sleep. Sleep, little one. You're safe now. Rest and dream in peace. Good night, little cicada. Sweet dreams. The way ahead is brighter than I remember. Oh, the light is just beautiful here. Come, join me. The surface is almost in sight. Wow, this is even more beautiful than I imagined. I can feel the magic everywhere. Oh, wow. It's even more magnificent than the stories say. This place is truly magical. Wow, this is even more amazing than I imagined. Look at those lights. It's like a fairy tale. It is a fairy tale. Look at those trees. Oh, they touch the sky. It's amazing. Wow, this is amazing. It's so bright up here. Look at that. It's even more magical from here. Like the majestic tree, we too can grow strong and reach for the sunlight, becoming the greatest versions of ourselves. Woohoo! What a view! This is amazing! I'm so happy to see you. Me too, Fairy May. Goodbye, Ant Kingdom. It was amazing. Thank you. I'll miss you all. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. It feels like magic. It is magic.